Hi, it's me, Dan from Dan's Zippet Commands, and I'm going to show you how to give players and classes custom attributes on different pieces of armor and stuff. So as you can see, if I jump on this, I get a bit faster, and I've got like different attack speed changes and stuff when it's on the head. If I go on here, I'm super fast. So yeah, and if I go on here, I've got like, if I go on here, I'm really slow, and I've got like slower hits and stuff. And if I go on here, I've got extremely slow hits. So how does it all work? Well, I'm not going to show you the class selection today. I'm going to show you attributes. Attributes are something you can give to, I think, an item can have. And I'll go over to a generator and show you how I personally put attributes on items. I don't. Hi, it's me, Dan from Dan's Zippet Commands, and I'm going to continue on showing you how to the generator. So I'm using the MC Stacker, and I'll go on to the give, and I'll give the nearest player an item. So let's say I've got a stick. This is how I personally look at attributes, because they're quite, like, I'll just give them a stick. So if you have a stick, now let's go on to click on attribute modifiers. So these are all the attributes you can give an item. So for example, let's say you want to give it different attack speed and different things. So now I'm going to just briefly explain each of these attributes. Each one, if I plus one here, that'll give me an extra half a heart. So that's how the max up works. So it'll give you an extra some amount of hearts. Now follow range doesn't really work on players, but it's for entities, and it's how many block, and it adds an extra block in the radius that they can follow. Knockback resistance, if you add 1, it will be complete knockback resistance. If you add 0.1, it will be an extra. It will remove 10% of knockback resistance. If it's 0.5, it will remove 50, and so on. Movement speed. This is equal to 1 block a second, I think. So 1 is equal to 1 block a second. 2 an extra 1 block a second. 2 is equal to an extra 2 blocks a second, and 0.1 is equal to an extra 1/10 of a block a second. So it's actually quite a lot every single time you click it. Attack damage is an extra amount of attack damage, for example 5, 9, or like 10. Armor is your armor, just your armor thing. It's 1 is equal to half of those little chest plate things. Attack speed is actually a bit it's kind of the same, a bit different. Because if you have attack speed of negative, because your attack speed, it goes. So first of all, it calculates your attack speed of your current weapon. So let's say if you're holding a diamond axe, you give it and you put in this attack speed negative 0.5. It will minus 0.5 from the current attack speed. So actually that means that if you want to work with some things, you'll have to just mess around with the values and stuff. Luck adds to your luck score, which is useful for fishing, and you can with loot table, and you can change loot tables so loot tables have it in them. And armor toughness is 10, and armor toughness is like armor, but I think it's more for stronger hits that are more powerful and like player hits and stuff.